mortgage-mike.ca here today. And today our topic is going to be bank. Bank, in my opinion, is a four-letter word. And the reason why, banks are out to make a profit. And banks want to get their shareholders as much money as they can. Now granted, banks are good for some things. Savings accounts, checking accounts, bank drafts, certified checks, and the like. But when you go to your bank for a mortgage, I believe you're not getting the best terms, conditions, and most importantly, the best rate that you possibly can. Banks are good for things like RESPs, RRSPs, term deposits, GICs. But when it comes to a mortgage, I don't think you're going to get the best rate when you deal with your bank. And let me tell you, when you go and finance your mortgage, you absolutely need to get the lowest rate possible. And this is where a mortgage broker comes in. We always get better rates than the bank. When you go to your bank, they're never going to give you their best rate. The only time that they will ever give you a good rate is when you've gone to a mortgage broker and we've already given you the best rate, and you go back to your bank and you say, oh, I can get this with my mortgage broker. And that is the only time that they will give you the best rate they possibly can. And I don't think that's fair to consumers. I think the bank should give you the best rate right off the top. And if you go there without the opinion, a second opinion from a mortgage broker, I believe you're going to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars over the life of your mortgage in extra fees that you don't need to pay. And when you go to a mortgage broker, you will get the best rate right off the bat. You will get the best terms. We shop 40 different lenders to get you the best rate and terms that we possibly can. We have your best interest in hand. When you're dealing with your bank, they have the interest of their shareholders in mind. What they want to do is get the most amount of profit so they can deliver the most amount of dividends to their shareholders. They don't really care about the small guy like you and me that needs to save every penny we can so we can eliminate our mortgage as soon as possible. So if you want to get the best rate, terms, and conditions, call me, 416-576-9566, or see my website where you can apply online, www.mortgage-mike.ca.